Hello, in front of me I've got Campark X30. In this video I'll show you buttons functions. Firstly, let's take a look at the shutter button. This shutter button is responsible, of course, for making videos, photos, or in playback mode, stop playing videos. Then we've got the power button. If you press and hold it, you'll turn off the camera and turn it on back. Then, if you short press the power button, you'll change mode. In playback function, short press to return to video recording photo mode. Then we've got up and down buttons. In standby, long press to turn on or off Wi-Fi. In recording, press it to zoom in and this to zoom out. In setup menu, short press this button to select option and adjust values. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.